Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from Lawyerist.com. Lawyerist is a community for small firm lawyers to learn from each other, support each other, and have fun while building successful, client-centered law firms. Today, I'm going to review Rocket Matter, a robust law practice management software for your firm that works great for solos and small firms. Let's take a look at the software and then we'll go over the important things you should know. We'll also review some of Rocket Matter's highlights and features. When you first log in, you'll see the Rocket Matter dashboard. On the dashboard, you can access your calendar, tasks, and billing data. There's also a widget on the top right to quick add a matter. You'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side and a green drop-down navigation menu on the top right. To create a new contact, click the Contact button on either the left navigation bar or Add New in the green drop-down. Fill out all relevant information about the contact and hit Save. Like many other law practice management software products, you can create custom fields in Rocket Matter to help personalize your data intake with your new clients and new matters. Once you have created a new contact, you can create a new matter from the green drop-down menu or the navigation bar on the left. Fill out all relevant information for your new matter. You can personalize the matter further by filling in custom fields, billing preferences, and workflow status. After you have created a matter and a contact, you can create a task associated with both. You can do this by navigating to the Add New menu at the top or by clicking the Task button on the navigation bar here. Add a new task, fill out all relevant information, and assign that task to a matter. Rocket Matter helps you track your time too. For example, you can conveniently start and stop a timer on the top of your page while working on a matter. You can enter the matter before you hit Start on the timer, or you can simply click Start on the timer and enter the correlating matter after. A few other important notes about Rocket Matter. Rocket Matter uses 128-bit SSL encryption to secure data traveling between your computer and Rocket Matter's servers. This is sometimes called bank-grade encryption. For what it's worth, most of the cloud-based practice management software options in our directory use more robust 256-bit SSL encryption. Rocket Matter's website details a number of other security measures, such as strong physical security and multi-point backup systems. Rocket Matter backs up its databases throughout the day to standby machines and copies those backups to a remote facility daily. Rocket Matter also offers the option to manually download your billable time, matters, calendars, and contacts. After you get that information from Rocket Matter, you can back it up locally. Rocket Matter has limited integrations. It does integrate with the software and services you are most likely to use, like G Suite, Office 365, Dropbox, Box, QuickBooks, and Evernote. But its integrations don't go much further than those. Accounting is sold separately. You can bill clients directly from Rocket Matter, but if your firm's billing needs are more sophisticated, and they probably are, you will want to connect it to QuickBooks, which works great. You will probably need to connect QuickBooks anyway. Now that you've got a feel for how Rocket Matter functions, let's look at some of its highlights and features. Rocket Matter puts productivity front and center. Like all law practice management software, Rocket Matter helps you organize information about your clients and your firm. But more than most law practice management software, Rocket Matter is focused in helping you get things done. Rocket Matter has email integration. You can connect your email, associate your email folders with client matters, and search your email from within Rocket Matter. It also has firm-wide chat. Simple, effective chat makes it easy to discuss cases with other members of your firm without resorting to the clunkiness of email. Communicator is similar to Google Hangouts with elements of Slack or HipChat, but built with lawyers' needs in mind. Rocket Matter has a single-page web app. Since Rocket Matter does not have to reload the page every time you click a button or link, the web app is fast and responsive to use in your browser. Lastly, Rocket Matter has mobile apps. Rocket Matter's mobile apps got a much-needed update in September of 2017. The new apps include most of the features of the web app, plus the new Communicator, the intra-firm messaging app. Communicator lets you send and receive files and associate messages with files. Plus, the new Rocket Matter bot can help you create calendar appointments in your discussions. Rocket Matter pricing starts at $55 per user per month if billed annually, and $65 per user per month if billed monthly. You can also purchase one-on-one individualized trainings, as opposed to the many free trainings available through Rocket Matter's website, for about $125 an hour. Some of Rocket Matter's features include calendar, client contact management, case matter management, and so on. You can find the full list of features on the Rocket Matter review page at Lawyerist.com. Keep in mind some of the features it doesn't have are email client and full accounting. Rocket Matter is a good fit for most solo and small firms. It's an especially good fit for firms that want a productivity-focused dashboard. Third-party software integrations are limited, but most firms will be perfectly happy with the currently supported integrations. Rocket Matter is not a good fit for firms who need full accounting, Prefer a full email client within their practice management software, or prefer more robust integration options? Thanks for watching Lawyerist.com's Rocket Matter review. To learn more, download our law practice management software feature comparison chart and check out other law practice management software reviews from Lawyerist.com.